this is the box. Let's try and see what I can name, bro. Try and see what I can name. So this is the idler arm. I know that. You know what I'm saying? This is the idler arm. So that's that. This is the adjustable tie rod sleeve, right? It's got screws there. So adjustable tie rod sleeve. Y'all can see branded bushings and everything on it. Don't know what this is. Not even gonna try, to be honest with y'all. Don't know what this piece go to or what this piece is. So leave that alone. It might be let me think. Maybe the sway bar end link. Could this be it? Sway bar end link. And I just seen this whole little kit, so I got the whole kit. And yeah, so he know what all this stuff is, but I don't. So I don't think I'ma do this myself. I think I'm gonna leave it up to him. If he can do it, if he don't have time, then gonna have to try to get it to a shop if one way or another. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now, last video I showed y'all my air shocks. I haven't got my springs yet, so I still gotta order the springs for the front and the rear. So y'all stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna get a little block, you feel me, to boost up the spring a little bit. But I think I'm only gonna get like a 1 inch or a 1.5 inch, maybe 2. Just like I said, nothing too crazy. Just a little, just like I said, just to boost lift the car up just a little bit to where I can squeeze them 24s on. But yeah, last video I showed y'all the air shocks. This video I'm finna go ahead and show y'all the whole front little suspension kit that I just ordered, and it was about $300, you feel me? About $200-300. I like to give y'all the prices, so if y'all need this stuff, y'all know. And I think I got it from eBay. I think I did, but yeah, this came with everything, you know what I'm saying? Everything I need but control arms, you feel me? The whole front end suspension, like I said, besides the springs and control arm. I got bushings, I got everything. I literally got the list of it. But that's what we finna unbox in this video. The package was right there. We finna unbox that in this video, so y'all stay tuned, bro. Hope y'all enjoy this vid. I talked to a mechanic trying to get that installed, because honestly I didn't trust myself doing that, because you feel me, it's a lot you gotta do, and like I don't really know how to do that. That's one thing I don't want to try to do either, and then something come loose or something mess up, and then it's on me. I'd rather send it to the shop, and if something mess up then they gotta fix it again, you feel me? So yeah, whole little front suspension kit. Talked to a shop, he quoted me $800 to do it. It's a lot, bro. It's a lot of money, but I mean, I'm not gonna find nobody else cheaper to do it, you feel me? It's a whole front suspension, literally everything. The whole front end it's gonna get a whole new front suspension kit. So I understand why the price is so much. So it's just, do I want to let him do it, or do I just want to wait and just try it myself and get my dad to help me do it? Because my dad know how to do it. I just gotta find time for me and him to do it together, you feel me? So yeah, this video, man, we're gonna be unboxing it. I don't know if I'm gonna be dropping the car off to get this stuff installed or not, but I will be seeing. We'll see, you know what I'm saying? If y'all get that video, then y'all know the car's getting dropped off. If not, then y'all just gotta stay tuned to see if I'm gonna do it myself. Like I said, y'all just gotta stay tuned. Other than that, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this vid. I got a few more packages coming. I'm still waiting on that freaking, the rear end extent, not the rear end, but the trunk filler piece. I'm still waiting on that. It's been like 2-3 weeks, bro. Been waiting on that forever. I'm probably finna just cancel it and get my refund and try to see if I can find another one. You know, that was literally like the only one that I found that was for mine, because mine is the vinyl top. So I need the one for the vinyl top to have the little clips. Or not the little clips, but some small little circle pin type of things on them. I needed that one, that specific one. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to try and see what's gonna go on. I message the seller, the seller ain't messaged me back. I'm gonna give it till tomorrow. If nothing happens by tomorrow, then I'm gonna just cancel it, try to get my money back, and then see if I can find another one. I don't know. But like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this video. We finna unbox this suspension kit. Like I said, I don't know everything, you feel me? I got the list of what everything is, but I don't know what piece is what piece, you feel me? That type of deal. But yeah, the whole little suspension kit, I'm gonna show it to y'all. So y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, road to 5,000 subscribers, so make sure y'all share the channel. Like I said, share the video, post the channel and the videos on all social media platforms if y'all can. just like I said, just trying to help me grow. And I'm finna just slowly keep ordering parts. I'm really trying to stack up on box Chevy parts because I want to get that car finished first, and then because I need to put this car on the back burner because I've done so much with this car. This car can chill for a minute. I done installed everything I wanted to really install, so I can chill on this car for a little bit. So I think I'm finna just stack up on parts for the box Chevy. Still waiting on the grill for that box Chevy to get in stock, and I'm finna get ready to order a brand new hood. It's gonna be about $800 after shipping and tax. Man, but it's gonna be worth it. You feel me? The car deserves it. It needs it, and that's something I got to go ahead and get. Other than that, I'll catch you once I get outside the car. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. All right, y'all. So, like I told y'all, man, the only reason why I needed this little kit was because the last time I drove this car on Christmas Day. The last time I drove this car, I couldn't go over 20 without the steering wheel shaking like crazy. Like, it was like the whole car just wanted to go each way at the same time. It was ridiculous, you feel me? And so my dad was telling me I probably need like tie rods or something, you feel me? He was like, it can't be your tires, because like I told y'all know this, and I had these wheels on this car for a little minute now, and it just recently started doing that. So I figured I might as well just go ahead and get this whole kit, just redo the entire suspension of this car. And yeah, I'm finna unbox it, show it to y'all. So that's the whole reason for me getting this, you feel me? If it wouldn't happen, honestly, I probably wouldn't have got this stuff. Now, like I said, the mechanic I talked to, he told me I might not need control arms. If I have to get control arms, I know the lower control arms are more than the upper control arms. So the lower control arms were about 150, 180, between that range, just depending on where you get them from. And then the uppers were $100, so that'll be another $300 in just control arms. And then y'all know I gotta get both sides, so I have to get a dual pack. So the dual packs are the ones that cost $100, and then the 150 or to 180 for the lowers. So that'd be, like I said, another $300 having to be spent on getting control arms. But the mechanic I talked to said I might not need them, you feel me? So we're gonna see when the time comes, man. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna get the mechanic to install this stuff or I'm gonna install it myself. I don't know if I want to do it myself, because I know it's a lot of work, and I've never done suspension stuff like this before, so I don't really know if I will be able to do it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try my best to try to name some of this stuff. I don't know what everything is, so I'm gonna try my best. But yeah, I just went ahead and got this whole kit instead of trying to get every piece separately. Yeah, here we go. This is the box. Let's try and see what I can name, bro. Try and see what I can name. So this is the idler arm. I know that. You know what I'm saying? This is the idler arm. So that's that. This is the adjustable tie rod sleeve, right? It's got screws there. So adjustable tie rod sleeve. Y'all can see brand new bushings and everything on it. Don't know what this is. Not even gonna try, to be honest with y'all. Don't know what this piece go to or what this piece is. So leave that alone. It might be let me think. Maybe the sway bar end link. Could this be it? Sway bar end link. That might be that. Let's see what other than that. Sway bar end link. Is that what that is? Y'all let me know. Sway bar end link. That might be that. I don't know if this is the upper or the lower ball joint. That's what I'm saying. I don't really want to do this myself, because I don't even know what half this stuff is. Upper or lower ball joints, one of them, and both packs, you feel me, for both sides. So that's that. And then this is the other upper or lower ball joints. Don't know which one. Like I said, this is the main reason why I don't want to do this myself. This is the center tie rod link, right? Center link tie rod, center tie rod link, same thing. That's what this is. So this whole little piece, this motor's heavy too. This is what really made this box heavy, but having all this stuff together is what did it. And like I said, I think these are what, inner and outer sleeve. So that's what this other one is. There it goes. Inner and outer tie rod sleeves. That's what these are, right? Because it's 4 of them, and I know it's supposed to be 2 and 2 of each, and they look the same. So I'm guessing that's what these are, and then these must be tie rod sleeves, right? Y'all gotta let me know if I labeled everything right. So tie rod sleeves, I'm guessing inner and outer tie rods. The center link tie rod, this could be idler arm. That's what they gotta be. And then like all the upper and lower bushings and all that type of stuff. So yeah, and then so that's what I'm saying. I'm guessing that's what this stuff is. Y'all gotta let me know if I labeled everything right. I think I did. Honestly, I don't know, but that's the main reason why I don't think I'm gonna install this stuff myself, because I don't even know. I mean, I'm guessing if I go ahead and if I like take one piece off at a time and then put a new piece on, maybe I could do it. I don't know. I really don't trust myself doing it myself, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it myself. Unless my dad's with me. My dad knew what all this stuff is. He's the one who told me to get certain pieces, and I just seen this whole little kit, so I got the whole kit. And yeah, so he knew what all this stuff is, but I don't. So I don't think I'm gonna do this myself. I think I'm gonna leave it up to him. If he can do it, if he don't have time, then I'm gonna have to try to get it to a shop one way or another. I don't know. Like I said, figure it out. If I get it to a shop, maybe I'll make a driving video and y'all see how bad it is driving this car. So, but yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. This is the whole little kit. Like I said, gotta get it installed so I can finally drive this car again, because I hate it just sitting here, bro, and I can't drive it because, like I said, it was too bad. The steering wheel was literally shaking too bad. I tried to hold it tight, it was just too bad, bro. I couldn't drive it. So yeah, I really want to drive this car, so I gotta figure out how to get this stuff installed. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah. Y'all let me know what y'all think though about the whole little kit. Like I said, I think I got this off eBay, if I'm not mistaken. I've been ordering so much that I don't remember where I got half the stuff from, and it didn't come in no receipt or nothing. So I think I got this from eBay. Y'all, I mean, you feel me? If y'all want the kit, bro, just get on Google and search up your car and then little front suspension kit. I'm pretty sure it'll pop up. So yeah, let me know what y'all think though. Like I said, I gotta get this stuff installed so I can drive this car, and y'all let me know if I labeled everything correctly, if I got everything right, and I'll catch y'all for the outro. So stay tuned, and like I said, leave y'all opinions. Alright guys, so as y'all can tell, it's getting dark outside, so don't have time to record another video. I was gonna record the video of me running the base knob wire, but I'm gonna do it, you feel me, later on during the week. It's supposed to stay warm, so I have plenty of time, and you feel me, good weather to be able to come out here and work on the car. We gotta, y'all know, pull off the back parts of the seats and wrap them in the Angleterra wrap. I already got the Angleterra wrap is down here somewhere, so we gotta do that very soon. And I gotta pull the seats completely out so I can paint them bottom brackets so they won't be rusty or looking rusty whenever I put my carpet in. They'll be nice and painted. You feel me? I'm gonna try to wire wheel it best I can, and or if not, wire brush it and then paint them. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, that front suspension kit, it got to get put on because I want to drive this car. But and I got to get some head gaskets, and I might try to do the head gaskets myself, but I don't know how to pull heads off, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that myself either. But I gotta get head gaskets because it smelled like, I mean, well, the car is like puffing out white smoke, so it got to be head gaskets. You know what I'm saying? The motor is pretty much healthy, sounds good. It got to be head gaskets. I'm finna get some head gaskets really soon. Advance Auto sells some, and it's like $90 for a whole kit. Get exhaust manifold, gasket, head gasket. There's a few gaskets you get in that little kit. So yeah, I was trying to find just head gaskets, but I can't. So I'm just gonna get that whole little kit. It's like $90, $80. Gotta get that. Like I said, but my earth shocks and the springs and stuff are not getting, I'm not putting them on until I paint that frame, or paint this frame. So once this frame get painted, and I paint, like I said, if I figure out if I need upper control arms and lower control arms or not, if I don't need them, then I will be painting them. So once I get all this stuff painted, then I'll worry about putting on my earth shocks, rear spring, front spring. But I am finna go ahead and get them springs, you feel me? But first, there's a few things I want to get for the box Chevy first. So I want to get this stuff for the box Chevy, then I'll worry about getting the rest of the stuff that I'm trying to get for this car. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just gotta stay tuned, man. It's, like I said, it's a lot of stuff still finna come. Y'all gonna get a few more unboxings because I got a few more packages coming, and some of the packages I'm finna get, we're gonna go ahead and install them on this car. But other packages, we ain't gonna be able to really install them. You know what I'm saying? We'll figure it out once the time comes. But like I said, y'all stay tuned. Frame will be getting painted soon. Hopefully the weather stay warm. If the weather stay warm like it is now, then I'll be painting the frame within the next like 2 to 3 maybe a month. Within the next month, I'm gonna be painting the frame. Maybe sooner than that, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? There ain't really much left for me that I can do besides go ahead and start working on the outside of the car, which is, like I said, the frame, exhaust, a few things under the hood, and get my suspension right. Just dial everything in. So like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like the video for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on where y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video. We're up to 5,000 subscribers, so I need your help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Post the channel and post the videos on all social media platforms if y'all can. You feel me? It helped me out. That'd be a huge favor, man. And comment down below, you feel me? Let me know what y'all think about everything that's going on so far. Suspension kit for the front, air shocks for the rear. Finna get new springs, like I said. You feel me? We stuttering. We getting this car right. You feel me? And I really want to drive this car, but I can't drive it with the steering wheel just going all over the place. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to control. So yeah. And I gotta get this paint off this windshield. I don't know why I still ain't done it yet. I'll get that soon. But yeah, like I said, everything coming out really nicely and really good, bro. And y'all know I'm still learning about a lot of stuff. I don't know a lot of stuff. I don't claim to be fully mechanically inclined. I don't claim to know everything about these cars, but I am trying, as y'all can see. I want to put that kit together myself. It'll save me some money from paying a mechanic to do it. But I just don't really know if I will be able to do it myself. You feel me? So, because I heard you gotta use like a press to push them bushings in. I don't have it. I don't have the tools. I don't have the knowledge to do that stuff. I just don't think I'll be able to do it. So it's probably gonna be a no-go for that. But other than that, man, like I said, hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all stay tuned. I was supposed to do the music, let y'all hear the music this weekend, but I'm gonna push it back again. You know, I haven't heard it myself. I haven't plugged the battery up. I just haven't really. I ain't gonna say I didn't feel like it. I kind of ain't felt like it, but I also haven't had a lot of time to be able to come out here and hook the battery back up, and then try to get everything situated up here with the radio and stuff, make sure everything is good there. So I haven't really had a lot of time. And then also I need to run that bass knob wire, so that's another hold up, which, like I said, I don't really need to. I just want to have it ran and done just in case if I ever do need it. But hope y'all enjoyed this, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.